And let me just say this. She ate my makeup up. Like, ate it up. Like, yeah, Barbie girl. My hair fat too. Nails on point. So I'm just her. Been her. Makeup, no makeup. I'm her. And it's that. Yeah. So y'all, I'm back. I just got my eyebrows done. Like, lashes still held up since July 8th. Eyebrows are done. That bitch loaded. My birthday on Wednesday. Let's get it. It's Sunday. Let's go. Party with party. Party in a Rari. Diamonds all over my body. Shining all over my body. Cardi got Somali. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Drop me in a lane. Fuck the brain. I want insane.
So birthday wise, there's no right or wrong. It's mostly like how you feel.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Like your style. You know what I mean?
Oh, really pretty. Oh my god. Okay, I'm snapping already. Well, what you want to see from me? What you want to see? Attitude? Okay.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Jala TV is still my birthday week, month, year. It's the big one. It was my golden birthday, y'all. I'm not telling y'all how old I am. But if you know, you know. And I really haven't been recording, like, what type of YouTuber am I? But I'm here today, here to talk to y'all. Thank y'all so much for the birthday wishes. Thank you for making it special. Like, everybody really wished me one, and I really did appreciate that. It's kickback time. The face, y'all see the hair, y'all see the nails. It's Jala TV, and let's get into it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jayla Goofy. Happy birthday to you. Blow the candles out, fam. Oh, bro.
Period.
Yeah.
What's up, Jala TV? It's like 5 a.m., 5 in the morning on Sunday. Just want to talk a little bit. I enjoyed my birthday. It was real calm, like real calm. I mean, yesterday at the club, it was a little turn, but I've been real calm, like just, yeah, that's what it is. Grateful for another year. Grateful for the people who celebrated with me. So I can't complain. It's not much more to say. Happy birthday to me. If didn't nobody else make my birthday feel special, I made my birthday feel special. I made sure I went to the spa. Had a kickback, went to the club. So yeah, I did what I had to do. It is what it is. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to another episode of Jala TV. Continue liking, commenting, subscribing. Follow my Instagram, JVLVV. TikTok, it's Jala TV. So yeah, thank y'all. Happy birthday to me.